Hi, I'm Jamie from Albert Group Pools and Patios. We just finished a project here in White Plains, New York. We're going to take a look back here and give you a quick tour of what we did. Okay, so here's our project here in White Plains. We have a beautiful Leisure Pools Ultimate 30 in ebony blue. Some of the cool things about this pool are a tanning ledge on this side. It also has a hot tub over here. We have a waterfall on the end. I'm going to show you how we turn them on. It's pretty cool. Just grab your phone. I go into the app, water feature. So what's going to happen is the valves are going to start to swing on the pump. The pump is going to raise RPM and we're going to get waterfalls. The hot tub also we can control right from the app here. We just turn it on and we can get all our bubble action going. We can also control the lights in the pool right from our phone. We can pick the colors, you name it. Around the pool we've done a bluestone coping. We've extended that coping across the top ledge of the spa. Coping goes all the way around. We've matched the coping to our caps on top of our waterfall. From there, we have our Unilock patio. We used two different stones in our Unilock patio. This one here is called the Beacon Hill XL Smooth, and this is in the Steel Mountain color. Over here, we have a smaller Holland stone to kind of break it apart, and that is in their charcoal color. This patio has drainage incorporated into it. We have a strip drain or a channel drain right around the edge here, as well as all the edges before it hits the wall. So no water is gonna fall off the wall and go into the yard. It's actually all getting collected and put into a dry well in the backyard. This is something that in Westchester, you have to do. We cannot give the runoff to our neighbors. We have to collect it, put it in a dry well, and let it seep through the earth. That's just the rules here. One of the things we really like about this Leisure Pools Ultimate 30 is the way that the stairs, the seats, the floor all have really nice texture on the floor bottom. This allows you to walk around the pool without slipping and sliding. The pool also features a continuous pitch going from the shallow end to the deep end. It's not a diving pool. We're not selling it as a diving pool. We do offer this model in a diving model. So if you want a pool with that transition, with the deep end, we can put a diving board on it. You can dive in it. This is a 30-foot pool. It's also available in a 35, a 40, and a 40-foot with a diving end. Incorporated into this design is some plant beds. These plant beds have a Belgian block border. The plant bed area around this project provides the place for the homeowner to plant trees for privacy and to add some smaller plants, little splash of color around the pool. Once again, this is the Leisure Pools Ultimate 30 in ebony blue. I hope you like it. If you're interested in a pool, if there's any way we can help, we'd love to do so. Just feel free to give us a call. You can also check out some of our latest videos. We have a video up here that shows a project from start to finish. And we also have a video over here which shows customers talking about their experience working with us. Thank you, and please like, click, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff.